Most kids generally love the beach because it offers a wide range of sensory experiences and fun activities like building sandcastles, splashing in the waves, digging in the sand, collecting shells, and simply running around in a large open space, making it a very appealing place for them to play and explore.
Wait.
Hey, there's another there.
Garrett, say hello.
Ate, there's a starfish. It was out of the water.
Save it, Garrett.
Too scared.
Patay nun din na.
If it's really dead, why is there no ants?
Pero galiyok pa. God, you killed the starfish.
I think you're supposed to put it in
Anong
the water.
tawag dyan?
Patay fish.
No?
Put it back in the water. Medyo patay. Yung patay, meron mga black sa parang ante. Parang, put it back. Patay ba? Oh, yeah.
Uy, baka mamatay, malumos.
Huh? Saan mo kahit hindi matanggal yung tali ko? Aray! Hey, there's one. But it's drowning over there.
Garrett, bakit niya nilumos?
I don't know.
Nalumos, hindi na kayo ginawa. Ang starfish, DJ, pwede yan na malunod?
Depende kung gusto nila.
Ikaw, Garrett, anong masasabi mo sa starfish?
I don't
Malunod yung starfish, hindi.
Starfish? Hindi.
Madrown ba ang starfish?
Kasi hindi.
Why?
Because they're ugly.
Hala ka! Sabi mo kanya beautiful, ngayon ugly. Nakita sa video mo, yung puwet mo nagabugdong.
Hey! Hey!
Joke, joke, joke. Review pala yun.
We're just gonna go here, ate.
Garrett, ano masasabi mo sa first mo na vlog?
Nothing. Aray. Hey, ate, is this an egg? Ate, it's not an egg. It's not a bubble.
Ituin natin, gawin natin hard boil.
Hey, it's so
Or sunny
small.
side up.
No. Ate, look, it's an egg. Oh, it's a bubble. I'm scared. Where? What else?
Bawal kayo magutot dito ha,
Over
mag-upo
there.
lang pero bawal magutot.
Over there,
Kasi
I tried to pop it in.
baka
the bubble.
ma-pollute yung sea.
It doesn't.
Uy, baho ka daw, Garrett.
Hey! Sakit ako. That's it. Papa is broke. I can't hold ako.
Hoy! Lahat ng pera ni mama sa akin galing yun.
Ate, nice to start with.
Garrett! Garrett!
This might be a worm pool. It's a worm pool if it's so small. What in the world is that?
Garrett, bye na.